Tone Burger. Souge soleil tendu, souge bouche parlée. Si elle voit ça, veille dans les bras foulés. Tone Burger. Dade Elisabeth fâchée. Bagay Tone Burger. Maria, someone please call 911. Tone Burger. They said two wrongs don't make it right. Burger, you got the most important thing. Start, man.
Bro, this shit is crazy. You go to shit going on?
Yeah, 90s party. Shout out to Jack in the building. Let's have some fun, people. Let's have some fun.
Ready or not, here I come.
Let's have some fun, people.
Find you and take it slowly. Ready or not, here I come.
Turn up the DJ. Be good. Just turn up the DJ. Let's have fun right now. When they get for 100 pounds, if I could rule the world, everyone would have a gun. In the ghetto, of course, when you get the up and on your horse, yo, I kick around, drinking on the shot. I pour a sip on the concrete, within the seats, but don't weep. While claps in the state of sleep, thinking about the robbery that I did last week. Money in the bag, banker look like a drag. I wanna play with color, cause from here back, nah, cause blacks think fast, I think I'm hit. My girl picks my hips to see if I still exist. I think now, I'll send a letter to my. If you love the pussies, put your hands in the air, sing along like. Yeah, classic material. Let's go, y'all. Let's go, y'all. Yeah, classic material. Classic material. Yeah. Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Can I kick it? Yes, you can. Hey, stats, I see, take a look. Yeah. Wyclef on my microphone, bro. Tell Donald Trump I ain't from no shithole, nigga. Trust me, man, I'm that MC. Put your hands in the air, we came to rap. Little Haiti, put your hands in the air. Motherfucker, hands up now. Hands up now. Hands up. Qui a eu 50 marches New York sur la physique. Moi, tout me tue dans ma vie. Les pommes de Kébo, y'en a pas, c'est la musique police. Moi, tout me tue dans ma vie. Tous ces haïtiens, levez-moi, levez-moi. If you love yourself, put your hands in the air. Bounce, 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 bounce. Yeah, classic material. Hey, hey, hey. Let's get it here. And anywhere you go. My whole crew burner. Pull up, make some noise. Dade Elisabeth fâchée. Ici c'est pas où qu'elle vivait. C'est les têtes de la tente. Comment nous y est? Where the Haitians at? Hold on. Where the Jamaican them at? Where the Trinidad them at? Bro, you good? I told my DJ Khaled I was on my way to show him what the Haitians do, man. Hold up. Watch it. Berto. Listen. Tell him. When see DJ Khaled, moi à Villa. Tenez. Est-ce que nous avons musique DJ Khaled avec Rihanna? Nous avons musique ça? Qui est-ce qui écrit musique ça originalement? Ok, Betty, Berto. Security. Excuse me, I'm okay. I'm from the fucking ghetto. I'm okay. Daniel! Si pas de sécurité, si de soleil, c'est pas un Orlando qui nous fait Bro! Cameraman, excuse me, talk to me. What's up?
Hey yo, check this out, it's DJ Khaled. Wyclef, bless up. It's all about the refugee sound. No sound like dead. Respect, refugee sound. Another one.
Yeah, I get a call back from DJ Khaled. We the best, I'm about to go big. Remember the joint Maria, huh? That you wrote for Santana. I'm a feeling with Rihanna, Brasantana. We the best, and it's gonna be a banner. Yeah, from Maria to Shakira, now Rihanna. Yeah, I wrote this in Montenegro. Being urban, man, we sipping cappuccino. Yeah, I got no complaint. When they be out to take showers on the plane. Yeah, girl, and everything we lost. Yeah, I promise we gon' get it back. Yeah, cause I'm in love with Lady Haiti. Yeah, and I did it for the Haitian flag. So do me the free to move your ass.
Elisabeth fâchée. Il dit c'est pas où que livré. Il dit c'est pas pour yo là-dedans. Il aime l'action. Pour lui capable de danser. Berto, drop the tune, man. 1, 2, Reggie. Le Wyclef. Regardez Elisabeth fâchée. Il dit c'est pas où que livré. Il dit c'est pas pour yo là-dedans. Moi si nous pas mettre dans notre Trump, let nous donner combat direct. Y'all losing like it's your last day on earth. Tune for them. Jamais le point de l'homme, women. Tune, Berto. Regardez Elisabeth fâchée. Elisabeth pas fâchée. Le Wyclef. Regardez Elisabeth fâchée. Elisabeth pas fâchée. Il dit c'est pas où qu'elle est blée. C'est n'était que là. Il dit c'est pas pour yo là. Hey yo! Let's go! Les women dread, let's go! Orlando, let's go! nouveau Wyclef vidéo, nouveau musique les sacs à fait. Faut que vous levez bon pour caméra vous connaître ou d'accord pour mettre dans la vidéo. Parce que c'est pas le monde sous. Et vous d'accord pour la vidéo, levez mon pour dire pour voir. Ok. Combien de monde qui lit Biblio? Pour tout ce monde qui lit Biblio. Ok. Ouvert section ça pour moi comme pour Moïse. Bon passé. Ouvert route là pour moi. Comme la mer rouge. Bon route là. Yeah, bon passé. Ok, en forme. Bon passage là. Hey, security, easy. Everybody relax. What? Bon passé. Est-ce que ma tante là? M'y ma tante qui dans la salle, excusez. I want to bring my aunt out. M'y ma tante qui avec moi aujourd'hui. Ma tante comme moi. Mais ma tante. Bon petit matin, nous allons faire une vidéo, matin, une vidéo parfaite, sans les baladons. Bro, are you good? Ça va fait. Matin, vous pouvez passer où c'est viral là. Mes amis, matin, vous tapez la main, vous allez jouer le peuple là. Les notes de ça, fait. Hold on. Sinon, ma classe, excusez monsieur, bon passage. Ok, bon passage. Ok, attendez. Qui n'a besoin d'aide pour monter sous le dôle parce que. Qui n'a besoin d'aide pour tomber sous le dôle? Besoin d'aide, quand il y a là qui fasse. Oui, même fille à venir. Avance. Oui, même fille à venir pour tomber sous le dôle. Ah. Vous respectez fille de Orlando. Excuse him. Don't do that. I ain't gonna get on your back, baby. I'm just gonna come over. Excuse me. Let me get some room. Okay, listen. Let me get some room. Chill. Relax. Okay. Here we go. Listen. Okay, stop. Madame est là, relax. Joignez là. Les montants de sac à fait. Nous allons montrer. Tout le monde entier. C'est haïtien qui contrôle le monde. Hey, easy. Let's go, Berto. What's my dog name? Here we go.
Here comes the dreads, reaching for hands, sex with their flies, waves in the rise.
Let's get on black. Hey!
In the box. with their flag.
When you hear something, then you lose it.
Waves in your eyes.
Show them how the Haitians do. Hey!
Saca-fé.
Make some noise! Combien de monde là qui aime la musique d'écrit pour Shakira? How many of y'all heard this song, Lady Haiti? Fellas, if you respect the women, put your hands in the air right now. Ladies, if you love the men that respect the women, make some noise. So do me a favor. We're gonna turn this thing into a Haitian battle. Don't look at me now. Find somebody to dance with. When I do Lady Haiti, let's show them how Haiti represents. Find somebody to dance with. Turn.
I'm in love with Lady Haiti. And when they call me to the Grammys, I wrap the flag all around me. Cause I'm in love with Lady Haiti. So I love they call me crazy.
Turn it up, Albert.
I love the music with the Haiti. Even though they try to stop me, I seen a girl shake right under her feet. She told me, baby, no, I'm sitting on no bro. Tears in my eyes. I know your story ever since a kid. Fell up a crush when I heard what you did. 1804, you made my people free. You the reason I feel like to be in it.
Ladies, where you at?
She didn't like sun. She didn't like sun. Under the hot sun. Now when she talking that Creole, that ain't been fun.
Good night, Diego. One,
I'm in love with Lady Haiti.
two,
And when they call me to the Grammys,
three,
I wrap the flag all around me. Cause I'm in love with Lady Haiti.
four.
So I love they call me crazy.
Let's go,
I
get
love the
them
music
out.
with the Haiti.
Let's go, get them out.
Even though they try to stop
Let's
me.
shoot them in my mouth. Thunder.
Just see it. I'm in love with Lady Haiti. Let's see it. Santa Fe, Santa Fe, Santa Fe, Santa Fe. Chérie Haïti, maman nous Santa Fe. Et où qu'on vit, quand les gens nous élevés. Et où les vit, quand les gens nous en force. Et où qu'on force, pas qu'un nous cap qu'un peu. Ou bien nous qui rapper avec les ailes sous côté. Venez, attaquer, n'attaquer.
Vamos
Nous
a
pas
hacer
se paniquer.
cosas with Lady. Vamos a hacer cosas Hey, a lo class. With Lady Haiti. You wanna go to Haiti with me? You wanna go to Haiti with me? Tout le monde lève la main. Haïti, 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 bloquez, bloquez, bloquez. Haïti, allez donc nous monnaie. Sous ces haïtiens, ayons respect down. Est-ce qu'on prend? Souffle les monnaie, vamos faire. swear I'm back down me. Do sound. I used to play ball at the YMCA in LA. So my first day came. I saw how they get murdered on Sunday, bloody Sunday. Oh la la, la 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 la. Yeah, la 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 la, la 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 la. Check it. I checked Jakku, I flipped the language. I called Donald Trump, started speaking Spanish. Mira amiga, buenos días señorita. ¿Cómo está usted y su familia? Estoy yendo bien en el micrófono. Espero que todos están bien como yo. Y'all looking at me? Y'all still ain't convinced? They say Wyclef Jean don't speak French. Quand je marche dans la vallée de la mort, je ne crains aucun mal. Before I jumped on the stage, some heard Fugees, thought I was Japanese. Ichi ni son chi go no ko shichi hachi. She looked at me, I said I'm not Japanese. I'm Wyclef Jean, I flipped the nation. Raised with Jamaicans, but I'm a Haitian. But hold on, peep the scheme. I said I was raised with Jamaicans, but I'm a Haitian. Clean up in the pack and agree, no eat no rice or pork and meat on the water, go the mic, I pro, I eat banana, eat mango. The first was rock and roll. Me prefer cameo, pay for dollar, says he go. Master corrupted by Kodo. Story in the never begun, she drinking up on television, by putting neck, rock, paper. No support for your weapon. They've been cheating on my by side, and they maintain a welfare. When on tout frère yo, on descend là. Et dans prison, yo pense que c'est privé. So là où I'm sous scène là, son célébration. I'm celebrating with y'all. If you happy to be alive, put your hands in the air.
Oh, you say. I used to play ball at the YMCA in LA. So the first day came, I saw how they get burned on Sunday, bloody Sunday. What about that? Yes, they got to show you play. Look at Shorty Young. He about to go out like so. Hey, hey, all the thoughts, let me see your hands up in the air. Back, back, back. See one time. You don't push drugs on my love. I'm on the highway with a black man. With a black man, I had it to Atlanta until I heard that sound of the police. Should I pull over? He had the dark shades on, but he looked like Stevie Wonder. His face was hella long. He looked like Jose himself. Now let me ask you something. Should I slow down and be good careful? I already know the shit. It depends if you got in the beamer. Now I got two boys like a blast and become most wanted in America. Well, I can slow down like a man in the Bronx or get Johnny. Wonder, what's good? Hey, Sonia, hold on, roller. If I get locked up, I ain't getting out till Tuesday. This is a Saturday, then it's a holiday. Shut the out there! I used to play ball at the YMCA in LA. So the first day, I saw a man get murdered on Sunday, bloody Sunday. What about? He got to show up in the day. So they had brought the bag on the fire. He got to go out like Sunday. He woke up in the bubble box. Good morning, Anale! So you want to push drugs? You want cars in the video? To the VA and BC, St. Louis. Voici c'est haïtien, il lève non, fais quoi la bataille? Avec DJ Lancounia, même si nous pas ouais. Pull out. Thunder. Make some noise. Avant hier, moi Drake. When I wear Drake, pas la chouille.
Li ke même fort. Pendant li ke même fort, li dit. You know. Je dis, vous comprenez me jeune ça? Yele. Crier. Sinon, par contre, qui est-ce qui est sous scène, non? Elle regarde Drake pendant qu'il a 14 ans sur Internet. Ou après Drake a chanté We Left. Pour honnête, c'est quoi des mots qu'elle sortit? Vous comprenez puissance haïtienne. C'est haïtien qui contrôle le monde. Yo, I'm on tour right now. I left the tour because I had to come represent for my Caribbean people. Period, man.
Sure.
Listen, I was in Kentucky. It was me and one Haitian. And I said, you know what? It don't matter. We gonna drop this record. And the people of Kentucky went crazy. They didn't understand a word. So let me see if I drop this record on you, if you react the same way the white folks in Kentucky reacted to it. Jealous in the back. They say, yo, the Haitians are going crazy in the crowd. What a Trinidad. It don't matter if you Haitian, if you Caribbean, if the record feel good, you're gonna bounce. Watch this. go crazy in this motherfucker.